Today, I will show you how you can make thousands of dollars just using your voice. That's right. Whether you've got a smooth, sultry voice or a bright, energetic pitch, there is a way to turn those vocal cords into cash. We are talking about making money here even without showing your face. Yes, so it's just you and your voice and the world of opportunities. So let's dive right into 10 ways that you can make money using just your voice. Guys, the first one we have is the good old reliable freelance gigs. Yes, platforms like Fiverr and Upwork, they are full of opportunities for voiceover works. Here is the thing, guys. It is competitive. Yes, you're going to be up against thousands of other voice artists. However, don't let that discourage you. The trick is to find your niche. Maybe like a killer cartoon character voice or convincing corporation. Guys, you can start making money. You can start earning between $35 per gig. But as you collect those 5-star reviews, you climb up the ladder. You don't need to have the most expensive gadgets to get started. Just a decent microphone and a quiet space will do the trick. As you build your portfolio, and you will find clients that will come to you, and that is when the real fun begins. Now, the more you specialize in a particular style or genre, the more likely you stand out. Yes, so and then niche down, master your craft, and soon enough you're going to be charging more for your services. Next, we have voices.com. Guys, this platform is like the e-harmony of voices over the world. Hey guys, you can connect with clients. Yes, so clients will connect with voice artists. The cool thing about codevoices.com is that they allow all languages. Yes, so if your English is not perfect, don't worry. This platform is beginner friendly. You can start with the free profile, upload as many voice recordings that you can, showcase your talents that attracts customers, potential customers, because you're going to gain experience, and then you can switch to premium membership. It gives you access to high paying jobs. And the best part is that voices.com has a secure payment system, which means that you're guaranteed to get paid for your work. So if you're serious about voiceover work, this platform is worth checking out. Moreover, the platform offers helpful resources and tutorials that can help you to refine your skills and grow your voiceover business. Number 8 is audiobook narration. Guys, if you have the stamina to keep talking for hours, like me, Audiobook Creation Exchange might be your perfect match. ACX. They connect voice artists with authors and publishers who want to turn their book into audiobooks. Yes, the great thing about this platform is that you get paid upfront, or you can even earn royalties from audiobook sales, which means that you can make money every day, every time anybody listens to the book. Yes, so they're listening to your voice. ACX is decent, but if you have a good microphone and you have a quiet recording space, you are off to a great start. It's a great potential for passive income, and it's a huge draw. Yes, imagine getting royalty checks for something that you recorded months ago. That's the kind of money we're talking about here. You don't need to be up. You don't need to even be the next Morgan Freeman to succeed. Yes, so just have a clear, consistent, engaging narration. And that is what really matters. You can build your portfolio as time goes on, and you can also attract repeat clients, like people that you have worked with before. They might be willing to work with you again. Yes, so number 7 is podcasting. It's huge right now. Fantastic way to monetize your voices with podcast platforms like Spotify.com. You can start your podcast for free. The best part is you can make money multiple ways: ads, affiliate marketing, listener donations, just a few options. Starting a podcast doesn't require massive investments. In fact, just a decent microphone, the topic you're passionate about. All you need is, you can talk about true crime, you can talk about self-development, you can talk about gardening. There's an audience out there for everyone. Consistency is key. Yeah, it's key in building a following. It might take some time, but you know what? The possibilities are endless. Once you start doing it, let's not forget the potential for brand deals and sponsorship. Yes, as your podcast grows, you can also partner with companies that want to reach your audience, and it's a win-win situation because you get paid for your listeners get exposed to products or services that they may find helpful. Plus, podcast has that unique thing that media lacks. Your voice becomes a trusted companion to your listeners. They trust you. This can translate into revenue. Number 6 is YouTube voiceover channels. Yes, YouTube is not just for vloggers, makeup artists. It's also a gold mine for voiceover artists. Many successful YouTube channels don't require you to show your face at all. In fact, instead, they rely on voiceovers. Yes, you can just talk about those channels, narrate their stories. It can be educational content. You can start your own channel too and offer your services to existing people, existing content creators. The beauty of YouTube is that multiple revenue streams, you can make money through AdSense, affiliate marketing, sponsorships, merchandise. Monetizing can take time, but potential earnings is worth it. If you're consistent and you build a following, guys, your channel can become a significant source of income. Who knows, you might even become the viral sensation. Yes, so to maximize your earnings. But you can also consider branching out into a different type of content, like, ASMR or product reviews, because the more versatile you are, the more opportunities you will have to grow your channel. Number 5, TikTok voiceover. Yes, TikTok is not just for dancing. You can actually make money by creating voiceover content on TikTok, whether it's narrating funny skits, providing commentary, or trending videos, or even voice acting for short stories. Like, TikTok offers a new platform to showcase your vocal talent. TikTok has a massive audience. With the right content, your voice can be heard by millions. And just like YouTube, you can monetize through brand deals, affiliate marketing. TikTok creator, yes, they also have a fund. Yeah, TikTok creator fund. The best part is you don't need to show your face at all, just your voice and your creativity. Consider leveraging sounds. Yes, trending sounds. You can also collaborate with other creators to stand out on TikTok. The platform algorithm favors content, yes, that gets quick engagement. So think about how to hook your viewers within the few seconds. Don't be afraid to experiment different styles on TikTok. It is all about variety, whether it's a dramatic reading, scheme, narrations, educational tidbits. Now, number 4 is online courses. If you have knowledge, why not share it? Create an online platform, online course. Their website, like Udemy, it's a great place to sell your courses on just about anything. Best part is that you can do the entire voiceover. Yes, you don't even need to show your face. You can do a voiceover course, and you can help other people learn while you are earning money. You can also sell your courses repeatedly, providing a steady income stream. Don't worry if you're not an expert in video production. Many success cases are built around, PowerPoint presentation with voiceover. It is simple and effective and profitable to maximize your success. So go ahead and focus on a topic where you have unique experience or with a fresh perspective. Niche topics also attract dedicated students who also pay premium for specialized knowledge. Number 3 is digital products. Yes, digital products using your voice is another fantastic option. It can be anything from guided meditations to audiobooks, voiceover, apps. Yes, one thing about digital products is that they are scalable. Create them once and sell them repeatedly. Platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, they make it easy to research a global audience. You can also package your voice in various ways by offering different versions or add-ons to increase your sales. And once your product is out there, the income can be relatively passive. It's not just about selling. You can also use this product to build your brand. Your reputation will grow because people will buy and use your digital product, and this will lead to more opportunities to create a recurring revenue stream. So consider offering the subscription model for ongoing content like, meditations, monthly audio series. Number 2 is voiceover for YouTube channels. Yes, it's a step up from freelancing on Fiverr. You can provide voiceovers for established YouTube channels, and they have gigs on platforms like Upwork, like voices.com, where they are looking for consistent voiceover artists for their content. And you can start to charge a little bit more, especially as you build your portfolio and your reputation for your voiceover grows. YouTube does not always require studio quality. Yes, many channels actually prioritize quantity over perfection, so you can get away with a decent microphone and a quiet room, and the more you gain experience, the more you can increase your rates and take on high profile projects to enhance your own chances of landing bigger gigs. Yes, you can also check out tech reviewing, gaming or lifestyle content, and the more you work on your skills, the more specific area you'll be seen as an expert, and it can lead to more lucrative opportunities. Now we arrive at the top, guys. Voiceover works for ads and brands. That is where the big money is. They always seek unique voices to represent them in commercials, in online ads and promotional content. It comes with bigger budgets and can be paid by hundreds, if not thousands of dollars for just a single project to land on this gig. Guys, you should work with an agency, yes, or stand out on platforms like voices.com, but the work can be consistent and very lucrative. Once you get in, imagine being the voiceover of a major brand or a national ad campaign. The exposure, the paycheck, it can be significant. Working with brands require more polished and professional, investments. Yes, invest in higher quality equipment. You can do voice coaching. It can be worth the while, but your return on investments can be substantially high when you land a few high-paying gigs, and it leads to ongoing work. You can start small, build your brand reputation, scale up. Remember, your voice is unique. There's someone somewhere out there that is, that will appreciate your voice, and they will be willing to pay big bucks for it. Thank you all so much for watching this video all the way till the very end. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel in case you have not. Smash the like button, like this video, and do well to share. And also introduce yourselves in the comments in case you have not. I'd like to know you, and I'd like to meet you. Where in the world are you tuning in from? And if you're a returning subscriber, I want to say thank you. And if you're seeing me for the first time, let me go ahead and introduce myself to you guys. Guys, my name is Miriam. I'm based here in California. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer and a YouTube coach. Yes, I help small to medium-sized businesses start a profitable YouTube channel and begin to monetize from day one. On this channel, I share with you various ways to make money, so you don't want to miss it for anything. If you have any question for me, do not hesitate to let me know in the comments. I'm also doing a giveaway of $100 cash each. Just go ahead and add 50 of your friends into my Telegram community, and yes, you are on your way to getting $100 just by watching my video. Thank you all so much, and I will see you in my next video. If you're able to add 50 people to my Telegram community, just come back to this video and let me know in the comments how many people you have added, so that I can send you an email and we can take it from there. I'm willing to send you the $100 through Western Union money transfer, through PayPal, through Zelle, through Venmo, anyhow you want it, through TapTap or which other international money transfer method. I'm willing to send it to you. And of course, I will see you guys in my next video. Take care. Don't forget to check out my previous videos, watch them, and check out these videos right here. Do well to also like, follow this channel, and do well to share my videos and check out my previous videos as well. I wish you guys all the best, and if you have tried any of these strategies and they work, please come back and also let me know, so that I can know how much I can also invest my time creating such content. Yes, and if you have a feedback for me, do not hesitate to let me know. I am willing, I'm open to new ideas and feedback. Thank you all so much once again. I'll see you guys in my next video. To all of you watching me, I say thank you and God bless you. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.